Estate administration firms versus probate solicitors. Which one is better for cross-border estates? You won't believe how complicated cross-border estates can get. The surprising truth is that even experienced families or executors often underestimate the challenges of managing assets across multiple countries, and choosing the right support can make all the difference. Probate solicitors specialize in legal advice for estate administration. They draft wills, handle probate applications, and navigate legal disputes over inheritance. For example, a UI-based solicitor can manage the probate process for a domestic estate, advise on tax obligations, and resolve contested claims. Their strength lies in legal expertise, dispute resolution, and official filings. Estate administration firms, by contrast, focus on operational execution, especially for estates spanning multiple jurisdictions. They coordinate banks, tax authorities, and property managers internationally, ensuring assets are transferred smoothly. For instance, a family with properties in the US, UK, and Germany can rely on an estate administration firm to manage local filings, currency transfers, and cross-border compliance without the need to hire separate lawyers in each country. Their value is efficiency, coordination, and practical management. The key difference is legal authority versus operational capability. Probate solicitors provide the legal framework and dispute resolution, while estate administration firms manage practical cross-border execution. For complex international estates, combining both services is often the most effective solution. Solicitors handle legal compliance and potential disputes, while administration firms manage day-to-day coordination and execution. The takeaway is clear: cross-border estates demand both legal precision and operational efficiency. The surprising truth is that families that integrate probate solicitors with estate administration firms minimize delays, reduce tax exposure, and ensure assets are transferred accurately across borders. In international estate planning, law plus administration equals peace of mind.